or not, today's a big day. Riko packs a tiny bag. Today is Riko's first day of forest school, Nana's learning circle under the old oak tree. New friends, new words. So many new things, Riko whispers. Am I really ready? Max walks close beside Riko, past the lily pond. Don't worry, Max says. I'm your friend. We go to school together. The path curves up a grassy hill. Riko's paws feel heavy and slow. What if I don't know how to learn? Riko asks. Max just smiles. Everyone starts somewhere new. And there it is, the great learning tree. Its branches stretch wide, welcoming every new friend who comes to school. Down below, a circle of smooth logs waits under the leaves. The whole forest's favorite outdoor school, ready for one more student. Riko stops right at the edge. So many new sounds, so many new smells. Maybe I'm not ready after all, Riko whispers. Nana leans down from the tree branch, eyes twinkling. Ready doesn't mean knowing everything. Ready means bringing a friend. Riko takes a breath and sits down in the circle. Max sits close by. Together, Riko and Max learn the name of one tiny yellow flower. It's really not so scary. Learning something new is fun when a good friend sits close by at school. Ready for something new today? Just bring a friend along. High five. See you next time in Sunny Forest.
Riko World, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in Riko World.